It's time for yet another beach adventure with Eurovision Spin. Now, today is 18th of May 2025, a sunny Sunday, and this is probably the latest that I have been out for a beach adventure on Sunday. Currently it is 6:36 p.m. and that is because I have been contemplating or thinking about the results from the Eurovision Song Contest 2025 that was yesterday night. It ended up around 1 a.m. and I barely could have sleep. After that, I slept. I went to bed at 6:30 a.m. and I have gotten up at 9 a.m. So I have almost 2.5 hours of sleep. So I'm so tired, but I really wanted to make a beach adventure today as well and to share you my reflections from the Eurovision Song Contest, which probably might be the last time that I'm sharing in this type of video. However, I have posted a reaction video from the results yesterday for the first time ever. Let's see. Now Eurovision is over, but I'm so sad that Sweden didn't win, obviously, as they were my favorites. If you have seen any of my shorts where I'm dancing to the super hit Bara Bara Bastu, and I think they deserved to win. The winner is Austria, which is a beautiful ballad and was my third favorite. So I really preferred Austria to win over to Israel, that won the public vote with 297 points. So if we didn't have juries, Israel would have won. Austria was only fourth place from the public, but in total it was first anyway, which was a bit strange because the votes were scattered both in the juries but also in the televotes. And some countries received even 0 points in the televotes, which is the public vote: Switzerland and UK. UK received 0 from the televote second year in a row, and Switzerland received, is the first time in history that we have so much difference between the jury and the televote: 214 points from the jury for Switzerland, which came second in the juries, and it came overall 10th because it was last in the public vote. But yeah, enough about that. Sweden came fourth in the end, which I think it deserved a bit more, in my opinion. It came third in the televote, I think, and in the juries sixth. But hey, enough about Eurovision. Let's talk about this adventure. This is the first time ever I'm on this jetty here in Sköndal. This is just 7 kilometers away from my home. Because it was too late, I didn't want to go a bit further today on this Sunday, as I need to go back home and do some more content for Eurovision. But here is my Scott gravel bike that got me here. In less than 20 minutes I have arrived to my destination, but I had a tailwind today, which means on the way back I'm gonna be battling with the wind. And this is Lake Drevviken. And currently the temperature in the water is 13 degrees Celsius, I have just measured, and in the air it is 14 degrees Celsius. The water looks very still and not so super fresh, I must say, so I will need to shuffle a bit the water here before I go in. There is some stuff from the trees, but the water is clean anyway. And this is the view that I have. Now the forecast said actually that's gonna be sun later in the afternoon, which there is now. And maybe I was lucky to wait until the afternoon for my beach adventure, because it was cloudy most of the day, as the sky was grieving also the loss of Bara Bara Bastu. So yes, today's beach day number 10 in Sweden. And it's 18th of May. This is the Sköndal neighborhood, as I mentioned. On the other hand, on the other side we have Hökarängsbadet, that is also empty because nobody is going out for swim now except enthusiasts, beach enthusiasts like myself. And yeah, I'm so tired and I'm so sad, but I think that this swim will make me a lot happier than I was earlier. So let's go in for a dip and in Lake Drevviken. And today is also day 69 since my hair transplant. Look at how it looks. I did a haircut the other day so to be a bit more even, but still this part here, the hair is growing, but it's not so thick yet. It's gonna take a few more months until it's thick as the rest of my hairline. But fingers crossed that that works. And let's get down to business with a beach adventure and dip. Now yesterday I was actually a lot more in the water than I planned to, because I was trying to avoid some people that were coming to the jetty yesterday when I was in Sköndal. Today I don't have that issue, so but maybe I'm gonna do a longer swim anyway. The water is chilly. From all my travels I got acquainted to the cold, to the hot water in the Mediterranean and in the Caribbean and in the Pacific Ocean. Okay, the Pacific Ocean was not that hot actually, 16 degrees. Still warmer than the lakes of Sweden. Alright, so let's enjoy, and hopefully I will lose all the stress now. As the song of Barabada Bastu says, släpp all stress idag. Or Estonia says, no stresso, don't need to be depresso. Just smile. Ready, set, and go! Yes, this is my happy place. And this is definitely my happy place. I feel refreshed, I feel renewed. This activity is the best of the day. Better than Eurovision. Okay. So, yeah, the water is so still, and with the sun and barely no wind, it's so amazing to have a longer dip than usual. Just refreshed, but now the coldness starts to kick in. So thanks so much for watching this episode with me from Sköndal in Drevviken, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Kris.